Hey guys, and welcome back to episode 2 of my Disney Vacation Club series. If you're new here, my name's Anthony. I am a father of 2 young boys and a wonderful husband, and I am a Disney lover and a Disney Vacation Club member. And so this series is actually all about Disney Vacation Club, and we started, if you go back, make sure you watch episode 1, where we talk about what Disney Vacation Club is, and what it's all about and how it works. And we give you a very, very general overview of what Disney Vacation Club is. So in episode 2 today, we are going to talk about who is Disney Vacation Club really for, and who should buy Disney Vacation Club. Because Disney Vacation Club is actually, whereas DVC, as I will be referring to it through most of the video, is actually not for everybody. There are certain people that I would recommend Disney Vacation Club for, and there are certain people that I would recommend Disney Vacation not perfect for. And so let's start with who Disney Vacation Club is for. If you're a person that loves Disney, and loves going down there multiple times a year, or even at least once a year every single year, then Disney Vacation Club may very well be for you. It really depends on how you like to travel. If you want to stay at beautiful deluxe resorts every single time, you are willing to have that flexibility of time, and then Disney Vacation Club in the long run, it can save you a lot of money. So if you're willing to go down or want to go down every year to Disney, then you definitely would want to consider buying Disney Vacation Club. The second type of person that would really recommend buying Disney Vacation Club is someone that likes to stay at deluxe resorts every single time they go down. Most of the Disney Vacation Clubs are located inside other deluxe resorts, such as the Polynesian. The Polynesian villas and bungalows are located at Polynesian Resort on the monorail loop. The villas at the Grand Floridian are located at the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. So if someone that loves to stay at deluxe resorts and you love the amenities of being close to the park, but don't want to pay that rack rate, which can almost, sometimes depending on the time of year, can be up to $600 or $700 a night to stay at these beautiful deluxe resorts. If you stay there every single time, then I would highly recommend buying Disney Vacation Club. Who I wouldn't regularly recommend buying Disney Vacation Club for are people that don't go to Disney World very frequently. If you are a type of person that goes at least once, twice a year, then yes, buy Disney Vacation Club. But if you're someone that only goes like once every 5 years, or once every 10 years, where you only want to do a trip of a lifetime like once a year, or you're doing one every 10 years, then Disney Vacation Club may not be for you. Since you have to buy points for every single year. When you buy a contract, you'll get points every single year. In order to make Disney Vacation Club worth it, you definitely need to be going to Disney at least once every 3 years. Based on the banking and borrowing rules, terms that I'll cover in later videos, you're definitely going to need to be going at least once or twice a year, where you're going to find yourself not using all your points, and in a situation where you're going to lose the points, or you're going to have to rent the points out. So those are really kind of the basics of like who Disney Vacation Club is for, and why I would buy Disney Vacation Club. If there is, if you are looking to buy Disney Vacation Club so that you ensure that you have vacations for years to come, that is another reason why I would buy Disney Vacation Club. I bought Disney Vacation Club, I ironically bought it during the pandemic. I bought it because I wanted to ensure that my family had a place to go every single year. That where we didn't have to worry about our accommodations. Accommodations at Disney, if you've been to Disney, is a very, very big part of the budget, especially if you're staying on property and if you're staying at deluxe resorts. I also bought it because my family loved to stay at deluxe resorts. We have 2 little boys, and being able to jump on the monorail loop, all the monorail loop resorts are deluxe resorts, and actually are also Disney Vacation Club resorts. That was awesome. That's a very big perk for us. We also like staying in the boardwalk area when me and my husband go down, generally in October for our anniversary, or late November for food and wine. We love to stay at the boardwalk area resorts, or the Epcot area resorts, such as Beach Club or Boardwalk. So those resorts are also deluxe resorts. We frequently go to Disney World. I work as a travel agent for Disney World, and so I'm going down to Disney World like 3 to 4 times a year on minimum. And I'm also going down, that's just for work generally, to check out new events or to check out different festivals at Epcot. And then I'm taking at least 1, if not 2 trips with my family down there. So the amount that we frequent going down there was definitely another reason why we bought Disney Vacation Club. We love the theming of all the deluxe resorts. I have stayed at all 3 levels of resorts. I've stayed at a value, I've stayed at moderates. The moderate resorts are lovely, and so are the deluxe resort. I mean, sorry, so are the value resorts. But you know, for me and my family, my husband only gets a limited amount of time to go on vacation, and so we don't really want to spend a lot of time trudging around trying to get from, you know, resorts that are located far away from the parks. And so also with 2 little kids, it just makes it a lot harder to do so. And so we just choose that we love staying at deluxe resorts, and we technically sometime in the future we are going to be very, very held to the school schedule. And so based on the point charts, which is another term, or it will be another video down the line that I'll talk about, the point charts really indicate to us that it's pretty expensive to go down during school time. And especially at rack rate. So like, we will travel down there during Christmas time, and most of the time there is no discount for rack rate rooms at deluxe resorts during Christmas break. It is so busy down there that we're not going to see any discount down there. So for us, and in the long term, we will save thousands of dollars buying into Disney Vacation Club over the long term, because we will not be paying rack rate. We'll be paying, over the long term of the contract, we will be paying a fraction of the price to stay at all these wonderful deluxe resorts. And so that being said, who Disney Vacation Club is for and not is really dependent on how your family likes to travel. You do have to be a planner, because you need to be ready at the 11-month window mark to book the vacation, to make sure that you get a room at the resort, at your home resort. And then also at 7 months, you have to be willing to be online if you want to change resorts from your non-home resort to a different resort on Disney property. So buying into Disney Vacation Club is definitely an investment. You know, financially there's not a high return of investment on it. What you'll get back is you'll get years of memories, and the fact that you know that for however the length of the contract that you buy, you will have a place to go and go on vacation. A lot of people refer to their vacation club as their lake home. We could have bought a lake house somewhere around us, but we opted to buy Disney Vacation Club because that's how we like to vacation. We do not enjoy going to the beach and sitting around and doing nothing. My family is very active. We like to be in the parks. We like to experiencing new food. We like to go out on adventures. Disney Vacation Club will allow us to go to Hawaii and Hilton Head and Vero in the future. And over to Disneyland. So Disney Vacation Club is really for a particular subset of people that love to vacation at Disney, that are planners and are looking to go to Disney multiple times a year, if not at least once a year for the foreseeable future. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below. Hit the turn on the bell notifications, because this is just the second video of a very, very long series of Disney Vacation Club videos that we will be talking about. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I will be love to answer as many questions as possible. And if you have any other questions, please, and you don't want to put it in the comments, please feel free to direct message me. I am on Instagram at Magical Wanderlust Adventures. I'm the most active on Instagram, but I also have a Twitter. If you're on Twitter, same thing. It's Magical Wanderlust Adventures, and I'll put that all in the show notes below. And until next time, I hope to see you guys all in the parks.